you doing?
Hello, yes, my name is Robert Carroll, and I've been going back and forth on some text with you regarding a house.
Yeah. How you doing, Robert? I was actually
Uh,
thinking of you this morning.
it's been a interesting week. So, sorry.
It's okay. I understand things happen. Um, we're just trying to understand if we can be your buyer. I understand you have some interest in selling the house in Sherry's Way.
Yes.
Okay. So I understand on sale of the property appears on Preforeclosure. So I don't know what's the status on that.
Yes. It's. I just talked to the finance company and the legal group that's handling it, and they do not have an auction date yet. So,
Mm.
he said it may be the end of the year before they'll actually have a date. So, I
Okay.
guess there is no date, and I do not know what an exact payoff is. I just sent
Mm.
an email to Loan Depot for a payoff. So,
Do you have an idea of roughly how much would you need to
they,
pay up?
well, that I do not know. That's why I had to put in a request to Loan Depot to ask them what it is. But my loan amount that it shows on the last paperwork I had was 500,000, and I'm sure
Okay.
it's probably a little more than that, just because it's been a while since I've
Mhm.
given them anything.
Yeah. It's okay. If you can let me know as much as possible, it's gonna help me to understand if I can help out, right?
Right.
Actually, it's a good thing that you don't have an auction date. It means that you still can walk away with some money, before they come and do their thing. Like pretty much, I need to know how behind you are and stuff like that. Like how much realistically you will want to be able to walk away after the mortgage is paid off and all of that.
Yeah, I like I said, to know what the payoff is, I do not know today. I might know by the middle of next week.
Okay.
But yeah, I've got to get that from them, and I know that if I wanted to try to bring the loan back to current, it would be about $50,000.
Okay. So you're behind like
So
50,000. And okay, so would you say that I know that they're gonna send you a statement of the situation, but would you say that you how long did you own this property for?
since 2014.
214. Are we talking that you have some equity on it?
Hopefully, yes. Like I said, I owe in the neighborhood of 500 for the principal on the house, and then whatever they tack on, I'm not sure. I looked at
Okay.
Zillow the other day, and it said like 620,000 or something, and I know that's not realistic, but
Okay.
I'm really not sure. You know.
Yeah, so what did you tell me? Like, you ready to let this go? You're gonna relocate? Do you have another place already?
Right now, I'm living in my fifth wheel trailer in an RV park, so the
Oh,
house is in the process of being emptied out and as best possible, and so it will be vacated within the next couple of weeks anyway.
so we should wait to see what they send you on Monday next week because with that number I can do realistic numbers and we can take it from there because what happens if I give you an offer now and then when they send you the statement that doesn't work. You understand what I mean?
No, I understand. I understand the thought behind that. Yeah, I was just looking to see if
We are
if
interested. We are interested. Like we can do this. We can move forward. I just need to confirm that actually my offer is gonna be of value to you. It's gonna actually help you. At least to walk away out of the situation. So we need a exact number to see if we can be your buyer. That's it,
yeah.
really. Like that's all I need to see a specific number, and I can do my thing on my end and be like, okay, can we do this? Like, can we stop a foreclosure? Help you walk away, like, but realistically, I need to see the number first, right? So I can be
Right.
like, hey, this is the best we can do. Sometimes, I'm gonna be very honest with you, sometimes sellers have walk away with as little as 5K, depending on how much they own, how much interest they have accumulated on the amount. And sometimes I've seen better situations, but that's why I need to see first like what's going on with the bank, right?
Yeah.
That
Right.
way I can tailor something that is gonna actually help you.
Okay. Well, then
So
I'll wait until I get a response back from them, and they said it could be middle of next week, end of next week, or something by the time I get a
okay,
payoff from them. And I just asked for
yeah.
a 30-day payoff, so we'll see
Okay,
what happens.
no worries. Get me that, and is there a way you have access to the balance on the application from the bank? Can you access?
Like I say, the balance that it showed for my principal was 500,000,
Okay,
but I
balance.
don't know what there is for penalties and so on to go along on top of that. I do not know.
Okay. So let's
That's
wait
why.
for that because in some cases too we can come up and we can negotiate with the bank direct. So do you think, I mean, I know it's up to the bank people, but would you say around Wednesday next week we can get something from them?
I would hope. Like I said, when I talked to Loan Depot, they said, oh, maybe Wednesday. And then when I
Yeah.
talked to the legal group, they said, oh, maybe Friday. So it may not be till the end of next week. It might even be the week after. But
Yeah, because we
like
can do something. Let's try to push them. I would say that you call on Tuesday again and you tell them, look, I have someone who wants to help me out in the situation. I need a statement, and just put some pressure on them. Once we get the statement, and if we decide, I mean, if we see that we can do something in the situation, we can even go back and be like, hey, we're gonna take over. We're gonna need you to. We can talk to the bank and help you. I mean, at this point, you need to save your credit as much as possible because if not, you're not only gonna lose your house, you're gonna lose your life and your
yeah, well, I
credit
know.
option for the future. So that's what I'm gonna try to do for you. Like I'm gonna try to help you get out of the situation the best possible.